So, uh, uh, welcome back to channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss Xero bank connection features. So, in this video, I will tell you how Xero will help you in your bank connections. So, first of all, uh, I will tell you how what is the bank connection feature and how it will help you. So, in bank connection feature. Uh, in bank connection feature you can automate you can connect bank feed into as you can connect bank feeds with Zero, so for better bookkeeping. So this is what Zero provide you. That's the benefit if you use Zero. So as you know, Zero saves, as they also mentioned, Zero saves their 5.5 hours a week if you use bank feed feature for automated transaction and matching for faster reconciliation. So, what is bank feed feature? So, bank feed feature in Zero allow your bank transaction to automatically flow into the software and automatically flow into your software, and it will help you automatically into your software, and it will uh, this will help you to feed data automatically like the bank statement, which you first need to do manually. So everything comes direct into your bank. Everything that comes directly into your bank, it will feed directly into your Zero software, so you don't need to do it automatically. That's the feature that Zero provide you. So after that, you can see how this works. So once you connect your bank to Zero, your transaction are automatically imported here. So you can see there, it will be automatically imported here. You don't need to do it manually. And after that, data comes regularly without any effort, and you can see all your income and expenses in one place. So you don't need to go somewhere else. Just open your Zero software, and you will see all your income and expenses there. So and it also connects with more than 21,000 financial institution worldwide. So you don't need to be really worried about either my bank or my financial app or gateway is either connectable or not. It supports more than 21,000 financial institutes all around the world. And then after that, one of its major feature is time saving. So it will save 5.5 hours a week, as I told you, automatically, and it makes your bookkeeping, if you are doing job for as a bookkeeper somewhere else, so it will help you save your time. So after that, the main feature that it will help you is automatic reconciliation, and with bank feeds, Zero help you reconcile transaction quickly. It suggests matches using AI. You can create bank rules for repeated transaction, and in many cases, you just click OK to confirm. You don't need to do any transaction manually. This is the biggest feature that I think is the game changer. It will help you a lot while automating your tasks. You don't need to be really worried about it. So the old days are gone when you had to do everything manually. It will help you save your time. So after that, if I move forward, so the main thing that it will help you, that it will give you real time financial view. So this is what it will give you: real time financial view, because transactions are updated regularly. You always have an up to date view of your finances. You can track incoming money, track outgoing money, see everything your dashboard in a real time. And the best feature that it will help is it will keep your data safe. Now let's talk about security. So Zero can use encrypted connection to keep your data safe. Also, Zero cannot move your money. It only reads your transaction, and only authorized user can access your data. So you don't really have to worry about either your data get into some spam activity or used somewhere else. So that's also the big benefit that Zero is providing you in a real time. And also, if you move forward, then you will see that if you don't want that, it will automatically confirm your payments. So you simply, or if your bank doesn't support it, then you simply upload data manually, export data from your bank and upload in a Xero, in simple Excel file or CSV file. It will support both of these, and after that you can review your transaction inside Xero. That's what. And after that, if I move forward, it will provide you really uh, comfortable pricing. That is 2.90 if you are sole proprietor and just starting your business. It will cost just you $3 a month, and if you are grown up business like 5 to 10 members, then still uh, you know it's really budget friendly, just $5. And if you are a real business that is making a lot of money, then still it will cost you just $7.50. So it's a great opportunity. You guys must have to avail it. I wish I will explain this feature really well. So if you are struggling with something else with Zero, you can tell us. We will try to help you out in that. Thanks for watching.